Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Today I'm going to show you the Harris Solstice, the 25-footer. It's a 2024 model, red on black. Let's jump inside and see what she got. All right guys, starting in the bow of this Harris, caramel colored interior, white in the center. With the Solstice you get some really nice stitching, some nice patterns going on, carbon fiber look as well. LED lighting throughout the boat, underneath your seating, in the cup holders, in the speakers. That's adjustable. You can make it whatever color you like, and I'll show that to you momentarily. And moving back, you're going to see ski locker storage below. Very long, you can put chairs, cushions, what have you for the beach. And in this specific boat, you have the full windshield as well, which is really nice on a Triton. Here at the helm, Simrad's electronics. You also got your traditional dials as well, but that's going to give you your charts, graphs, depth, everything you'll need to navigate the waters safely. JL audio system, so the upgraded audio package as well. Really sounds nice. And as I was saying, with the dial on the LED, we are now green, but turn of a dial, you can change your LED colors. Dual captain's chairs for both port and starboard. Looking up, you have the sports tower. Again, your JL audio speakers really get some nice sound going for you, and a bimini top as well. Let's move to the rear. Here you got your two aft facing lounges as well. They can be converted into a lounge or put your armrest up so that you can seat more people. Again, more speakers, more cup holders, more lighting. You have a table that will be inserted here if you want a place for dining. And then to the rear, this boat is outfitted with a Mercury 300 horsepower, plenty of horsepower for this 25-foot boat. And then you have your ski tower as well. Beautiful Solstice here at Panama City Beach MarineMax. Give me a shout if I can show it to you. I would love to. My name's Carl. My cell phone number 334-695-6035.